What is NC Public Power? This is Meg A. Watts, your roving reporter with the Megawatts smile. And together, we'll find the answer. We use electricity for just about everything in our homes, from lighting inside, outside, and the streets, to heating and powering appliances and electronics. Since Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, we've depended on reliable electricity. Your town is one of 70 public power communities across the state of North Carolina that owns and operates its own electric utility system. Many of your neighbors work for the town's electric utility, and they make sure that when you flip the switch, your power comes on. This is Meg A. Watts, signing off for now, but as always, remember, it's your town, your power.